So again, this is Access Module 5, page 112. And we're going to be working right here on our customers. Okay, so we're going, this is called the navigation pane. I'm going to right click on customers and make sure we want design view. So I'm going to right click, launching design view. And I'm going to come down here to first contact, because these are the different categories of our database, and we're going to work from first contact. So when I click in the short text field, you'll see down here opens up and this drop down list comes up. From here, I want to use the lookup wizard. You have to make sure you click in the box or you won't get this drop down list. So I want the lookup wizard. And then I need to make sure I will type the values that I want. I will type the values that I want. So then I select next. And then I just want one column, and then I can click here in column 1. And I'm going to type friend. And again, I'm on page 112. This is step 3 currently. Then it says to press tab, and rest of the values is shown in figure 5-7, which is on page 113. So I'm just going to hit tab, and it actually is going to go down a line. And you can see at the top, you should be matching the picture there on 113. So radio, tab, web, tab, other. So essentially I'm creating a drop-down list when people enter the information of how they got in contact with somebody. And you guys, if you've done something online, you've probably seen like, how did you hear about us? That type of thing. I'm going to click next. And then it's going to keep all these default settings, and I'm going to select finish. Really, you won't see anything different. Where it's different is right here, halfway down, where we select lookup. Now for this to give you the right settings, make sure you're in first contact still. Because if you click these other ones, what we change won't display. So under first contact, I can now, when I hit lookup, you'll see under row source, you'll see all the options. So it says under row source, friend, radio, web, or other. So that's what we changed. And why that's important, I'll show you in just a second. So right here is my print screen spot. So I'm going to hit print screen. Then I'm going to come down to my print screens. And if you haven't, label it Access page 112 customers. And this is design view. And again, I'm just keeping all these open as I work. And then I just pasted my screenshot. And again, the key here is I'm looking for first contact and the lookup tab, because this shows me you set up the source for friend, radio, web, and other. So that's where our screenshot is. And then you can kind of test this. Make sure you have your screenshot first. But when you test this, I can go ahead and change my data sheet view. And then over here, I have a drop-down list. How was this person first contacted? They're a friend from the radio, web, or other. And so essentially we created this list of how they became on our list, so to speak. And I can go back to a design view as necessary.